Top 5 fruits that rebuild muscle and reverse sarcopenia after 60. Muscle loss doesn't have to define your 60s. 2 years ago, I struggled to carry groceries from my car. Simple tasks like opening jars or climbing stairs left me exhausted. My doctor explained that I was experiencing sarcopenia, the natural loss of muscle mass that affects 30% of adults over 60. Then a sports nutritionist introduced me to 5 specific fruits that could help rebuild what time was taking away. According to the National Institute on Aging, we lose 3 to 8% of muscle mass per decade after age 30. By 60, this loss accelerates, affecting strength, balance, and independence. But research shows that certain fruits contain compounds that can stimulate muscle protein synthesis and slow this decline. Understanding sarcopenia and muscle rebuilding. Sarcopenia isn't just about looking weaker. It affects functional independence, increases fall risk, and reduces quality of life. The condition occurs when muscle protein breakdown exceeds muscle protein synthesis, creating a negative balance. Fruit compounds work by providing antioxidants that reduce muscle-damaging inflammation and nutrients that support protein synthesis. The key is choosing fruits with specific bioactive compounds that target muscle preservation. The 5 fruits that transformed my strength. 1. Tart cherries. The natural recovery accelerators. Tart cherries contain anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that reduce muscle damage and inflammation. Research from the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry shows that tart cherry consumption can reduce muscle soreness by up to 20% and improve recovery time. 1 cup of tart cherries provides approximately 90 milligrams of anthocyanins. These compounds help preserve existing muscle tissue while supporting new protein synthesis. I drink 8 ounces of unsweetened tart cherry juice 3 times weekly, usually after light exercise. 2. Blueberries, the cellular protectors. Blueberries contain pterostilbene and resveratrol, compounds that activate pathways involved in muscle growth. Studies from the University of Michigan demonstrate that blueberry consumption can improve muscle function and reduce age-related muscle loss. 1 cup of blueberries provides over 13,000 antioxidant units, protecting muscle cells from oxidative damage. The berries also contain natural sugars that help deliver amino acids to muscle tissue more effectively. I eat half a cup of fresh blueberries daily with breakfast. 3. Watermelon, the citrulline muscle builder. Watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that improves blood flow and may enhance muscle protein synthesis. Research from the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry shows that citrulline supplementation can reduce muscle soreness and improve exercise performance. 1 cup of watermelon provides approximately 250 milligrams of citrulline. This amino acid converts to arginine in the body, improving blood flow to muscles and potentially enhancing nutrient delivery. I consume 1 to 2 cups of fresh watermelon as an afternoon snack. 4. Pomegranate, the strength preservers. Pomegranates contain urolithin a compound that supports mitochondrial function in muscle cells. Research from the journal Nature Medicine indicates that urolithin can improve muscle strength and exercise capacity in older adults. 1 medium pomegranate provides potent polyphenols that protect muscle fibers from age-related damage. The fruit also contains natural nitrates that improve blood flow to working muscles. I eat pomegranate seeds 3 times weekly, often mixed with yogurt. 5. Bananas, the potassium powerhouses. Bananas provide potassium and natural sugars that support muscle function and recovery. Adequate potassium intake is crucial for proper muscle contraction and preventing muscle cramps. The American Heart Association recommends 4,700 milligrams of potassium daily for adults. 1 medium banana contains approximately 400 milligrams of potassium plus easily digestible carbohydrates. These nutrients help maintain proper muscle function and support protein synthesis when consumed around exercise. I eat 1 banana daily, usually before or after walking. The science behind fruit-based muscle support. These fruits work through multiple mechanisms to support muscle health. Antioxidants reduce inflammation that breaks down muscle tissue. Specific compounds activate cellular pathways that promote muscle protein synthesis. Blood flow improvements from natural nitrates and citrulline enhance nutrient delivery to muscle cells. Better circulation means more amino acids and oxygen reach working muscles, supporting growth and repair. Practical integration strategies. Consume these fruits consistently rather than sporadically. Daily intake of at least 2 different fruits provides better results than occasional large portions. I rotate through different combinations throughout the week,